It's something I've been thinking about literally for about 15 years. And each time I see more adverts and more advertising about having eye laser surgery, and I think I've just been really scared for years. But it changes your life, it's so convenient. So finally, I thought I would try to do it for a very special birthday with a 0 at the end, and that's what pushed me to having it done. Oh, Accuvision, it was actually quite easy because I think there is a lot of competition around and you just don't know whether to pay a little bit or a lot more here for what you get at Accuvision. I think it's really reasonable, and it's also the treatment afterwards and also the care that you receive is really important, that you put your faith in people. But I work for British Airways and 3 of my colleagues have come here and have had their eyes done. Because we work on the planes, it's worked beautifully. So I think it was them giving me the confidence to say, oh, you must go there. And it was 3 of them. It was 3 girls at work, all in the space of 1 year. So one of them, I know that her eyes had been perfect from like 1 year on. So it was a very easy choice, actually. I was really nervous, and I thought, well, I'll have a consultation and I'll see what they're like, but I'm not still sure whether I will still have the surgery. It's just taking one small step rather than a giant leap. But they were really nice here. They were all very nice, and I'm impressed. It's obviously the latest technology here. I was impressed. It's got a good site on the internet, so I've had a look at it. It's got a good reputation. So I looked at all those things, and cost, obviously. So that's how I found it, and it's near home as well, so it's just what works for you, isn't it? They've got lots of locations, so it's not far. Oh, really nervous. Someone had to drive me and drive me back again, but I think because you've come in a couple of times and you have a little bit of rapport with the people that work here, I knew that they were going to be the ones doing the surgery, so that helps because you know them and they know that you're really nervous. I think that's natural, but everyone puts your mind very much at ease. But really nervous, but then it's worth it. I would do it again. Not in a hurry though. Day after, well, it was just strange not to have to. I used to have my glasses by my bed. So when I wake up in the morning, it will all be like that, and put them on, and just, actually, for a few days, I'm still reaching for them, waiting. Even now, the fact that I don't have to put my lenses in or glasses, it just feels really nice. And when you go swimming, I go swimming a lot, just the fact that you can see people now, without any, I'm trying to look at the time when I'm coming out of the pool, and you can just see everything. It is great. Very happy. I mean, it takes a few weeks to adjust. I think the muscles in your eyes are obviously changing, because I think the next day you expect bang to be looking at everything. Obviously it takes a few weeks, but yeah, it's getting better every day. I've got a nice plasma television. The colours look really bright. I've never seen it that bright before, so yeah, very pleased. And I think to anyone who's thinking about having done, I would say, having been so hesitant for years, just go for it. It's all worthwhile. Like, take the step. Don't take these little steps, just go for it. Definitely. It's got a nice tea machine outside as well. And you're very looked after. And what is impressive, people are very friendly, but also it's the aftercare treatment which is important. You need to ask questions, you need to ask a lot of questions. I've phoned loads of times with silly little questions, so everyone's been really nice and helpful. Definitely recommend it.